Sunday, gon' bend your back, gon' bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Then DJ, please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So it is Sunday, August 31st, and I'm gonna do a little daily vlog. So it's something little vlog. So I don't know what the hell this white line is. Anyways, it is Labor Day weekend, and I told myself I wasn't gonna vlog. I really was gonna vlog because I'm currently editing my summer vlog. So I didn't think I was gonna be able to vlog anything, but I'm like, you know what? It's only a day. I could vlog whatever I do today, like now and later on. So I'll show y'all what's going on outside right now, and then tonight, whatever I do tonight, and then tomorrow. And I could just have something to post, which will give me more time to edit my summer vlog. So I was like, all right, let me just vlog, you know, only a day. It's not that bad. Everybody repping their flags. I love this weekend. I don't always go to Parkway, but I'm gonna go tomorrow just to vlog, like I said. So yeah, that's what this vlog will be about. Nothing else. So I don't know how long it's gonna be. But yeah, just enjoy the festivities as we go. My hair just like this for now. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it like this for the entire vlog, but we'll see. So yeah, right now I'm about to go help my friend do something, but I'm not gonna vlog that part. This vlog is strictly for whatever's going on right now for Labor Day. As you can see, I'm repping my Jamaican flag, of course. This is what I love about this holiday, is like you see everybody, like you always see people and you don't know where they're from. This holiday, you'll definitely know where they're from because everybody gonna be repping their flags. I don't know what the hell this white line is. It's really annoying me. Every time I move somewhere, oh look, I don't know what that is. But anyways, yeah, let's go see what's going on in Brooklyn right now. I love my Caribbean people. So like I said, drop y'all flags in the comments because I know this vlog gonna be lit. Okay, let's go see what's going on. Hey y'all, so it is the day of the parade. I'm on my way there right now. I just wanted to stop and show y'all my outfit real quick before I get into the chaos. Okay, can I see it? Damn, it's not. But this is the fits. Can't really see the entire fit. I'm trying to. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to head on the train and take it one stop. My neck is already as y'all can see, tangled up. But I wasn't gonna leave my mommy home. That's protection right there. I need protection on this parkway. Already read my Psalms 91. So we gonna go and have fun and have a time. Why not? I found this bracelet. I don't know where I got this hair from. I forgot where I bought it, honestly. I was digging and I found it. So, but I have on this all-in-one. Y'all, I made sure I peed like 3 times before I left my house because TMI, but yeah, I needed to use the bathroom before I left my house. My water is what's holding y'all up right now. I think I found a better view to show you my outfit. So let's see. Ready, let's go. everywhere, so I get me a corn soup. More jerk. That chicken looks good. Still can find a
is not enough. I want you to jump up.
What did you come to do? Did you come to watch people?
Commercial break. I need to find me some corn because I'm trying to go in the middle of the street, but I gotta get a corn first. So I'm settling for the chicken. I'm hungry. I told him I want it well done because the piece you just tried to give me just now, the top part was not done at all. So we're gonna wait for this chicken until it's burnt.
I want to see more flags in the air. If you represent for your family right now, flags in the air. Flags in the air. Watch this. Turn it up. You see Shorty really making it bounce right now, Phoenix? You see Shorty pour the party making it bounce right now? Turn it up, turn it up. Yeah. Step on down the door. Step on down the door. The gallon party. She said, and this is the only Jamaican truck. We take over this and burn up everything. You know what I mean? We don't know our stand. Stab on them. Stab on them there. We got to all the leisure.
They did say there's no more truck behind us, behind them, so I think they're done. 5:17, so if by 5:30 there's no come, I'm leaving. People watching me. I feel mad people vlogging, so I don't know why they watching me, y'all. Yeah, you see me? All I'm seeing is sun. Oh shit, I see somebody that I know, y'all. Definitely don't want to see him. One thing about the parkway, you're gonna see people that, one or two things you haven't seen in mad long, or people that you don't want to see. And I didn't want to see that, man. I'm good. I'm not trying to be engaged in no conversation with nobody about nothing. It be people that you haven't seen in years, and then you come on the parkway, you're gonna see them. Just did a whole boom rush. Like, people was running. Y'all see this? Y'all see the barricades? Yo, the Haitian truck is coming. After this, I'm out. I am gone, but these people are too rowdy. Standing on the stage and leaning on this post because I can't see to walk home. So yeah, this will be the end of the vlog, guys. I hope y'all had a time. Hope y'all felt like I was there. Yo, the Haitian truck had like, the Haitians had like 4 trucks. I'm like, oh, but I saw the first one, like, I thought that was it. Nope, they had 3 more on the way, child. I said, oh nah. So I couldn't leave. I couldn't freaking leave because y'all saw all those people. I could not leave. So once the street was cleared a little, I said, all right, let me make my getaway and go, because there was another one coming, as I showed y'all in the last clip. Child, so I say, yeah, it's time for me to go. What time is it? 7:17. So yeah, tell me why two girls was asking me what I was wearing, like my perfume. They was like, oh, you smell good, what you wearing? And then this other guy asked me the same thing, and I'm like, oh, I make my perfumes. It was 2 different perfumes I was wearing. I think it was like YSL Libre and a Jimmy Choo pink bottle. So I was like, yeah, I mixed them. I didn't know how it was gonna smell, but it smelled good. Apparently it caught people attention, child. Y'all should be seeing this on Tuesday, so I'm about to go home and edit this. Tomorrow's Tuesday, so hopefully y'all seeing this on Tuesday.
Where you